So I'm here at Fleet Marina and we're about to have a nice little storm. Getting ready to go grab some ice cream. You can hear the thunder in the background rolling around. Trying to see if I can catch some lightning for you all. I just missed it. I had to go back to the boat to get my phone. But I know if it comes, it's going to be right over there because I just saw a couple flashes a little while ago. Just got a new flag today. We got the pole erected today, which is wonderful. We were waiting for months for it from the city to sign off on it. And now we finally got it erected today for the first time. Beautiful. Looks really nice. There it is. There's a little bit of lightning for y'all. It's nice, beautiful skies over here. I don't know if you can hear the singing of the birds or not, but they're having a beautiful, beautiful moment right now with everything, talking to each other, singing. Alright, well, I think the lightning might be done. And I gotta go head out to get some ice cream. So I hope you all have a great evening, and I will talk to y'all later. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it.